Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see hard inquiries in Credit Karma. So the process is very easy to do, just follow this step-by-step guide. So first you need to do is visit the Credit Karma website, or you can also open up Credit Karma app, and once you open it, simply log in your account. From the dashboard, find and select the option Credit Reports. This may also labeled as TransUnion or Equifax. So this is under the report section. After this, simply once you are in credit report, look for an option labeled credit inquiries or the hard inquiries. This section lists any recent hard queries on your credit report, so dealing when, by whom, and whom they were made. So review the each inquiry. Credit Karma will show each inquiry individually, including the date it was made and the lender or the company that made the inquiry. Hard inquiry typically stays on your report for about 2 years. So that's how you can see hard inquiries on Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.